Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to hide embarrassing Steam games from friends. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Currently, this feature is only available on the beta branch. To enable it, first open Steam and sign into your account. Then click on Steam at the top left corner and go to the Settings menu. In the Settings, click on the Interface tab. Here, look for the Client Beta Participation option and click on this option. Inside this drop-down menu, select it to switch to the beta version of Steam. Once you've enabled the beta client, go back to your Steam library. Find the game you want to hide and right-click on it, and from the context menu, select the Manage option and then click on Mark as Private. Your selected game will now be marked as private, effectively hiding it from your friend's view on Steam. This is a great way to keep your gaming habits discreet. So that's basically how you can hide embarrassing Steam games from friends. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.